Okay, quick view here. I've been working already about 2.5 hours on the framing here. It's sealed in with plexiglass now. Just a quick view of it. I'm going to try to attach these. I got two more for the other side. Broken pieces of, I don't know, pavement markers. I don't know if it's drivers or something or other. Give it a trafe. That's like non-kashrut, non-kosher, non-halal look, like a lobster mouth, which is what I think of war. It's like completely anti-faith, even though so many religions, or every religion I can think of, uses land fought over wars as justification for all sorts of heinous crimes. So I had got several layers of mat board in the back, thin brads, nail it in, art conservation tape, sealed it in the back. Now I've got my electric drill out, electric saw. I'm going to cut this piece of masonite down so I can completely seal in the back here. So I'll have to add glue to the back of the wood frame, and then also nail it in, to screw it in afterwards. All right, to be continued, coming along here.